CF number 8. If one is traveling and reaches a place where he wishes to stay overnight, but he does not have a congregation with whom he can pray the next morning, the law is as follows. If there is before him, there is further along on the road, and he intends to travel up to the distance of 4 mil, a place where congregation prays, then if he is able to arrive there while it is still day, so that he will not have to travel alone at night, he must travel up to 4 mil on the route and that lies before him, so as to pray with congregation. So let's see. So okay, there's one commentary, and we're going to explain what we said so far. So commentary says, see appendix Kitzur editorial glosses regarding the one who lives within 9 mil of the closest Minyan. So that's okay. That's a different issue. So basically, if the person is traveling and he needs to pray, as we know, in Minyan, and there is no Minyan in a place where he plans to lodge, so he have to see if he can go 4 mil. 4 mil, I think we said it's like a 72 minutes walk. That's I think that the 4 mil the distance is.
Wait, isn't that a parsa or no?
I don't remember what we said. Okay, I think the 4 mil is 72 minutes. Okay. So basically, so me personally, like before going, like long time ago when we used to go to vacation, all of this vacation. So I would check before like ordering tickets, before ordering hotel. I would check if there is a kosher Minyan there. If you go in somewhere, you understand? Or even in Israel. So let's say we would come there, like arrive in the city, wherever city is, at night. So before going to bed, I would make sure that I know where the Minyan is and what time they start. I would go, like walk to the shul or drive to the shul to make sure I know where to go and what time they start. You understand? Otherwise, it's you, for sure you're going to miss. Like, how do you know what time they're going to start? So in many shuls in Israel, they start very early. I remember in 1 minute it was like 5:30 I was praying. 5. Okay. I mean, it was the closest, the most convenient Minyan for me, the closest to hotel, all of the like working people. I mean, 5:30. Okay, so I went to 5:30. What could I do? Okay. So I would not go to bed until I know where to go for a Minyan. Okay, that's what he's saying. So be very careful. So if you need to travel further, so just travel further. And if there is a Minyan behind him, there is on a route that he already traveled. If he knows of a place where he can pray with the congregation, he must go back up to the distance of a mil. So as to pray with congregation. So we actually said this 4 mil when it's on your toward your destination, 1 mil behind. I think we said when we were talking about when you need water, right, to wash your hands before the prayer. Trying to see. Can't remember it. Yes. One second. Let me see. If one already prayed, if I will, he would be the amount of time that it takes to walk parsa. Parsa. So how long is it? Between 2.4 and 2.9 miles. Okay. So okay. So this parsa, which is an hour and a fifth, right? So it's 72 minutes. So parsa in 4 meals, I think it's the same. I think it's the same. Okay. All right. So, but time-wise, 72 minutes. So one more time, the logic is exactly the same. Going forward 72 minutes, going backwards it's 1 meal, so it's 72 by 4, whatever it is. Okay, so continue. And if there is a minyan, no, we said behind. Certainly one may not go away from a place where when there is a congregation praying to a place where he will not have an opportunity. If he is able to pray first and arrive at the destination while it's still daytime. So I mean, if he has a opportunity to pray, he has a delay, pray with them and try to get, but they say again, while it's still daytime, because it is dangerous to travel at night. So our sages gave us this discount. I'm not sure if it applies today. First of all, this 72 minutes walk, it's 2.8 miles. It's like only a few minutes drive. It's 5 minutes drive. In many places where I stayed, like there's no like Minyan nearby, so I had to drive like 20 minutes, even 30 minutes. No, 40 minutes. I never drove, but 30 minutes was like normal. On Shabbos, that's the problem. I don't know. I never stayed in it's like such a remote place in Shabbos. So Shabbos would try to get closer to the shul.